Well, these have been in the freezer for 3 days. I turned the freezer up really high. The ice cream is extremely hard. Here we've got water, as you expect, solid as a rock. This is the stuff that's in my Jeep now. It's like a jelly, solidified. It's not frozen, but I couldn't imagine it sludging around my water pump. It's got ice in it, and it took a bit of shaking to break it up. This is the EVANS product. Still a pure liquid, never froze. It freezes the bottle as I move it, so it's still colder than 0 degrees because it's freezing the air as I'm holding it. So if you want something that stays liquid and doesn't freeze, this is one of the reasons why not that I need it in this country, but in countries you do need it, I would recommend this one, the EVANS Waterless engine coolant. Next, I'm going to do a heating test, and I'll show you that one too.